Tried exercising to exhaustion to burn more belly fat. It had little effect on my fat loss. I went to my doctor to find out why I couldn't lose weight. After my exam and looking at my lab tests, he said, "Everything looks good. There's nothing wrong with you. I think you need to watch what you eat closer. Just stick to the medically prescribed diet I gave you. I also want you to exercise more often and longer. I'm sure if you follow the diet and exercise program correctly, you can lose the weight." My doctor just wasn't listening. I had already tried eating less. I was exercising more, and I was still getting fatter. Like every other one I'd been to, my doctor was too arrogant, too sure of himself, and too dismissive to really listen to what I had to say. It was absolutely infuriating. He didn't believe me. Like with everything else in the medical establishment, my doctor was taking the easy way out and putting the blame on me. I was so frustrated